Hello, hello. We are coming to you from the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show, and today I'm here with Ken Reda, and we're going to talk a little bit about Hatteras Yachts. Ken, welcome.
Thank you, Lisa.
Introduce yourself and then tell them what's sitting behind us.
Hello, everyone. My name is Ken Reda. I'm with MarineMax, North Key Largo. We are right now at the base of the Hatteras 59 GT. The GT series is a custom blend of the sport fish line that Hatteras has been known to build for many, many years. This in particular boat, as you can see, the beautiful hull color, teak package, mezzanine seating, of course the fly bridge, got that Carolina look as well, full tower, all the fishing amenities, and yet still having the comfort creatures that today's modern fishermen, if you will, and family are looking for. We have 1900 horsepower Caterpillar power. Wow. On the inside, we have a layout that now features a dinette, which is a unique layout in this particular boat. 3 stateroom layout besides that, with a wonderful, what we call tackle room, which you can position your rods and reels and everything in a horizontal fashion, with a washdown station and even a drying station.
Wow.
So it's really a spectacular boat. As is all the Hatteras product. From this size, we move to a new model, which will be a 65. We go into a 70, and then we have in the beginning stages, we have the 41 in a Cabo series. We have the 45 in the open, and also in the Express series. Then we move into the motor yachts from 60 feet, 75 feet, up into 90 feet, soon to be 98, and then a 105.
Wow, so Hatteras is definitely covering the lineup. Whatever size yacht you're looking at, Hatteras can provide.
Hatteras has got it covered for sure. It's an iconic American-built brand, 60 years. One of the biggest followings in the marine industry is the Hatteras crowd. It's been around for a long time. It is synonymous with quality, craftsmanship, and we're really pleased to be representing the brand here at the show.
Well, thank you very much, Ken. If you're interested in more information, obviously Hatteras.com can get you there. You can also check out MarineMax.com/online boat show, where you can find all the information about all these models, and you can even chat live with the people on our chat room. Boating experts will be there to answer all your questions. Thank you very much.
Thank you.